Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and fix no audio detected or no audio devices detected in OBS. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first reason being your audio device. So make sure that you have properly plugged it in on your computer. And if you have, you can go ahead and try to change the ports. If you go ahead and change the ports, it should work. If it still doesn't work and you have already checked the cable and everything else and there's no problem at all with the physical hardware, then it could be your computer. So what you want to do is go to sounds, click on sound settings, and once you've done that, you can simply go ahead into more sound settings, and this will pop up right over here. On your recording devices, you can simply go ahead and click on show disabled device, and if it is disabled, it will simply go ahead and show up and you can just right click and enable it. So if that's not the problem either, what you can do is simply go ahead and try to get the levels up if it has been detected, however there's no sound. And if that is still not working, what you can do is simply go ahead and right click on your sound, click on troubleshoot sound problems. Once you've done that, the computer is going to go ahead and recognize the problem and fix it for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.